Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you where you can find information about your boards on Whimsical, for example, the creation, last modification data, and so on and so forth. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you need access to that information here inside your own workspace on Whimsical, you won't find this anywhere here in that overview, as you can see. So if I click into the board here, I won't be able to do this. So obviously you will need to find that information somewhere else. And this is how you find it, guys. So navigate to your board and then select it with your left mouse. And here in the editor, click into the drop-down menu, board actions next to the board name. And you will see the board info. You may also use the shortcut Shift-Control-I. So let us use this one. And there you have it. And here we'll see the last creation date, the author, the last modification date. And if you click into the modification date, you will be redirected to the edit history so that you may track back all edits and changes using that slider. And if needed, restore a previous point in that editing history. And you can do the same here for the creation date. Click into it and as you can see. Another info you may get access to is the stats here, how many objects the given board includes, how many comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.